Hi, I'm Andrea Wilson-Woods, and you are here at an HCC Lunch Learn in Houston in partnership with Houston Methodist. I hope people who are already living with liver cancer learn more about their treatment options and the variety of choices they have. And if they're living with liver disease, I hope they understand that they're at very high risk for liver cancer. We cannot live without our livers.
It's important that we do these events because we're raising awareness and really honing down on how can we actually ultimately cure liver cancer and help these patients and caregivers. It's very hard to find information out there that's reliable and that will actually help your situation and will make you stop feeling hopeless, and bringing the community together, bringing all these doctors together and having this expert panel is something that you don't get on the internet, and it's hard to research and understand all the medical terminology. So having all the doctors here breaking things down, speaking to patients, speaking to the community, and being able to explain things to them that might have not been explained during their consult is really not only nice, but it's just really heartwarming and touching.
My name is Priscilla Martin, and what brought me here today is my sister has been going to the doctor and they think she may have liver cancer. So I'm going to come in here to get information for her, so be prepared. I hope to learn how the signs and the symptoms of liver cancer so I can benefit my sister and help her if that's the case when she comes out. It's important to hold events like this because it educates the public on what to look out for concerning liver cancer. You may be able to save someone's life.
My name is Pamela Ann Melcher, and what brought me here is I like knowledge. So I saw this on my computer about a month ago, and I checked in, and I'm here today. I hope to take away information on cancer. I have a brother who has cancer, but then I want to be knowledgeable in all aspects of, how to help someone with cancer and myself in case it happens.
I'm Chastity Moody, and I am the communications manager for Blue Ferry, the Adrian Wilson Liver Cancer Association. And I'm really excited to be here. It's always great that we can actually come and meet the people where they are, and this event is all about providing support and education and resources for patients and their caregivers, and making sure that they know that they are not alone through this. Right. It's so important to meet people where they are because HCC is so tricky in that most people don't know they have it until it's way too late. And it's something that's so preventable. As a cancer that's so devastating, for it to be so preventable, meeting people where they are, explaining what the risk factors are, providing the support that they need and the education that they need it's so important. And that's one of the things that you can only do if you're willing to come and meet people where they are right now. My hope is that everyone who walks away with one piece of actionable advice or information that they can just immediately act upon, whether it's a change in their diet, whether it's telling a friend about Blue Ferry and the resources that are available, whether it's just them rethinking how they live and what risk factors they're actually dealing with. If they can walk away with just one piece of actionable information, then I'll feel like we've done exactly what we set out to do.
Well, today what I took away is that there's different approaches to improving the liver, preventive care from having surgeries on the liver, the necessity of exercising, sustaining a balanced diet, and more importantly, just thinking healthy. Health is wealth is the one thing that echoed in my ear as the session was going on. The one thing that I locked on one of the physicians is that for the men to communicate more about health.
Blue Ferry touches patients, caregivers, practitioners, industry, all bringing a collective group together to really move along therapies and understanding and training and learnings for liver cancer. Blue Ferry is bringing all different types of community members together to really foster the growth and understanding and learnings and treatments in liver cancer.
it's important for us to support programs such as Blue Fairy because it's our way of actually collaborating with organizations that prioritize making sure that patients understand the importance of screening, right, to detect these diseases earlier. Because in this disease state, essentially HCC, early detection equates to a better overall endpoint for the patients for the most part. So it's really important that we do whatever we can to stand behind companies that stress the importance of, making sure that the public understands, if you know more about this disease, you can actually have a better overall endpoint, right, in terms of just being more proactive in on your health care.
A special thanks to Houston Methodist for helping us put this together for the Houston community, and also a thank you to our sponsors, AstraZeneca, Bristol Myers Squibb, Genentech, Exelixis, and Merck. Thank you so much.